S&P futures off by 3.5 and the Nasdaq down by just over 4. Today's top story, Hurricane Irma just downgraded to a Category 4 this morning, but it still could destroy parts of Florida. We're still talking about winds that are 155 miles an hour. Let's get the latest on where the storm is tracking from NBC meteorologist Kaylee Dion. Kaylee, good morning.
Good morning. It's still moving to the west-northwest. It's going to continue that track basically through Bahamas and Cuba. You can see that these are the models, what we call spaghetti plots, but the actual track has it looking like it's going to make a landfall in South Florida as we go into early Sunday morning. Between now and then, though, you're going to start to see conditions deteriorate. You have really the rest of the day today, if you're in Key West, if you're in South Florida, to finish any preparations and get any evacuations underway. Alerts going on. A hurricane warning was issued overnight for South Florida in the purple there, also for the Bahamas, the northern coast of Cuba as well, and still for the Dominican Republic. This is a huge storm out there that's making its way close to the continental United States. And yeah, there's a talk that it did downgrade to a Category 4 storm. But I want to talk about that because what it's doing right now is it's going through what we call an eye wall replacement cycle. So it's weakening because the thunderstorms right outside the eye wall are growing stronger than the thunderstorms around the eye wall, and it's kind of collapsing. This is going to continue, but once that is done, we could see it intensify. It's also moving over some of the warmest water it's seen as it moves in between Cuba and the Bahamas. Plus, it is 155-mile-per-hour winds right now. Look at Category 5, 157 miles per hour and up. So it's only a few in regards to wind speeds. Both of these, whether it's a Category 4 or 5, cause catastrophic damage. Now, as it moves forward, we do expect it to be at least a Category 4 storm before it makes landfall on Florida. So we're going to continue to track this throughout the day today. We'll have more later on, guys.
Kaylee, thank you. We're going to continue.